I'm coming from the motherfucking gutter. When niggas like to kill and chop it up and serve that butter. My lord, brother in foster care, somebody killed big brother. My father commit suicide and I'm taking care of my mother. No disrespect to mother, but my mother was on butters. A nigga claimed to be my man, but sir, my mother butters. And if my mama die, I swear to God, dog, I'll bust her. And I ain't ashamed of it, cause I'm living hood struggle. And I ain't your ordinary dog, Holmes, I need a muzzle. I'm fucked up in the mental, ain't no piecing up this puzzle. I got stabbed up 5 times, shit, I was supposed to die. And them niggas that claim to be my man, shit, they was supposed to ride. But shit, they ain't even ride for themselves, shit, I ain't gon' lie. So shit, I had to ride for myself, shit, I ain't gon' lie. I started straying away, being a real nigga, rolling dolo. A crew don't make you, a clique don't make you, roll solo. I got a 5-year-old daughter that I can't even see because her bitch ass mama, she don't like me. I ain't no gangsta, I ain't no thug, I ain't no trapper. I'm just a DC hood nigga that went through struggles. They screaming Fat Trail, Shy Glizzy, and Chief Keef. They screaming Future, Cash Out, but what about me? I deserve to eat, I deserve to be on BET. I wanna go to the awards, I wanna be on MTV. And I ain't gonna stop until you see me shining up on that TV. And lately I've been hearing a lot of disrespectful shit, see. And lately I've been hearing a lot of Lord hating shit, see. But that hating shit, that shit don't even faze me. Cause I'm used to it, shit, that shit don't even graze me. Grew up around all killers, shit, the projects raised me. And I ain't gonna stop until all y'all praise me. And I ain't gonna never stop rapping, this shit pays me. I ain't no drug dealer cause I ain't got the patience to sell no drugs. I was the type of nigga that spend all his money and fucked up his real. In elementary I was hooked in school with the big dogs, sparking trio. Stealing cars with the big homies, riding in that UUV. Pick lock, open the door, pop the ignition with that master key. Rusty Glock, get shot, I hope you got hops, my niggas don't care. Riding around listening to that go-go or that master peel. I'm cold-hearted, from grimy hoes to fake niggas. I'm cold-hearted, from grimy ass family members. So many bodies I done seen, niggas getting sprayed up like oil sheen. Most of my niggas locked up or tripped out off that Aquafine. Most of my niggas RIP, so lick on the ground I'm pouring. A lot of niggas been hating on me, but shit, I'm like, fuck that shit. The only thing that run through my mind, I'm like, shit, man, what is this? I had a hard life, envy me for what? I deserve everything I could get. And if you don't understand it, you ain't a real nigga, so nigga, mind your biz. Know the logic, I've been in the projects for about 25 years. And I'm 25 now, add up the math. Yeah, shit got real. Niggas claim they strapped up or macked up, but the shit not his. Niggas tripping off a hoe, stressed out, but the bitch not his. Y'all can judge me all y'all want to, I'm not on trial, I'm just keeping shit real. Niggas talk about me, the hoes step on toes because the hoes on my dick. Little do y'all know, the hoes run back to me and tell me what the fuck y'all said. That shows me that niggas will do anything for pussy, even some clown shit. And if you got a good bitch, hold on to her, keep her away from hoes, okay? Your bitch friend will try to get her fucked just to add a hoe on her resume. But it's okay, it's just a little cycle that grimy bitches and niggas play. You gotta keep your eyes open and mouth shut, or you might get played. I'm just telling y'all some good real shit that happened to me, okay? Everything's a true story, I swear to God, but it's gonna be okay. To all the haters, you don't want my life, so let me be, okay? And to the people that was feeling this real shit, y'all don't make the same mistake.